Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BerryFae, and as you can tell by the title, we are finally unboxing, smelling, and giving our first impressions on the new Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. You guys, I'm super excited. So we have the two of them right here. I got a small one just so I can add to my mini collection. I decided I'm gonna start a mini Kayali collection because why not? I got the big bottles. I always get the 100 ml, so I decided I'm gonna start collecting these smaller ones ever since I got the vacation in a bottle set. I like them, they're cute. You can travel with them easily instead of having to transfer your fragrances into the little travel size perfumes. Just get a travel size perfume itself. So today we are gonna be unboxing the new Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow 81 Intense. As you guys may or may not know, they did change the packaging, so we're no longer getting the boxes that open like this. They're all gonna be coming in just some regular rectangle boxes. I don't mind that because at the end of the day, a box is just a box. I personally like keeping the original boxes. Let me show you guys what they look like. So this is what the original boxes used to look like, where you could just open them. And obviously I kept all of my boxes like this because I think they're just so cute and chic, and they're like a little collectible. So I am gonna miss these cute boxes. However, it's just a box. Like there's nothing in it. They don't actually serve a purpose other than me just collecting them and having them on display. But now we're getting just regular rectangle boxes that are like 3D at the top, but this is fine. And the reason that they changed the boxes is because this is going to allow them to ship out items faster when they're sold out. The reason why they sell out and it takes a long time to restock is because making these type of boxes, owners basically mentioned that making these type of boxes takes a lot of production, a lot of time, and their suppliers sometimes, you know, are backed up. So to cut down on the time it takes to restock, they decided to change the boxes to just some simple boxes like this one here. So it is what it is. I just want fragrance, okay? That's all I'm here for. If you are like me and you're just here for the fragrance, baby, let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna smell it, and we're gonna see what is it giving. Okay, so here we are with the Yum Bougie Marshmallow. First of all, I love the packaging. The light pink is super, super nice. It's a very, very, very light pink. I expected it to be a little bit more baby pink just based off of the packaging, but it is very, very cute. So the key notes are freesia, strawberry, pink marshmallow, creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and pink musk. Super sweet, super yummy, super creamy. Okay. So this is definitely super creamy for sure. Very creamy, very sweet. I don't smell as much strawberry as I would like to. I want to smell more strawberry, but I definitely smell the marshmallow, the coconut, and the whipped vanilla and musk. Those you can definitely smell. It's cute. It is a really, really cute perfume. I feel like I already have this though in another scent, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is, but I know for sure I have this type of scent. But I am so glad, because one thing about me, I'm a Kayali stan. Anything that Kayali comes out with, I'm gonna love it either way. But I do believe I have a scent just like this already, but it's okay because I don't have a Kayali version of this scent. But I'm gonna give this scent a cute little 8 out of 10. A lot of people have mixed reviews. They were saying this is the type of scent that you have to mix, and I can see what they're saying. This is not something that you just want to wear by yourself. I'm definitely gonna be layering. I just wish I could smell a little bit more of the strawberry, but I do smell all the other notes. I smell the pink marshmallow, I smell the creamy coconut, I smell the whipped vanilla, pink musk. It's just a very sweet, creamy scent. Think about strawberry milk. Strawberry coconut milk, that's literally what this smells like. But I'll give it a cute 8 out of 10.